Solve the following question. 35 liter 265 ml minus 24 liter 417 ml. Pause the video to do it in your notebook first. Let's work out the answer. One liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. "35 liter equals 35000 ml. 24 liters equals 24000 ml. Also, note that 35L 265 ml means 35 liter and 265 milliliter added together, which comes to 35265 ml. Similarly, 24 liter 417 ml means 24 liter and 417 ml, which equals 24417 ml. Now we have subtraction in a single unit. 35,265 ml minus 24,417 ml comes to 10,848 ml. Converting it back to the combination of units in the question, we have 10 liter and 848 milliliter. And that is the answer.